If the Earth suddenly stopped spinning right now, you wouldn't just feel a bump. Imagine billions of people, cars, and buildings suddenly launched sideways at over 1,000 miles per hour. At the equator, everything is moving that fast. If the planet hits the brakes, inertia keeps us moving. It would be like a car crash, but on a planetary scale. Skyscrapers would crumble instantly. Entire cities would be leveled. Survivors would find themselves in a world that has turned into a war zone in seconds. The air we breathe wouldn't stop either. It would transform into supersonic winds, tearing roofs off houses and flattening forests like matchsticks. And then, the water comes. Oceans would refuse to stop, crashing onto land as tsunamis taller than mountains. Coastal cities like New York, London, and Tokyo would vanish underwater in minutes. The sheer force would scour the surface of the planet clean. For the few who survive on higher ground, the map of the world would change forever. Gravity would pull the oceans toward the poles, draining the equator dry. Europe, Canada, and Russia would be lost beneath polar oceans. Meanwhile, a vast, dry supercontinent would emerge around the equator. A new land with no water, connecting Africa, South America, and Asia. Time itself would break. Without rotation, a single day would last a year. On the sunlit side, people would face 6 months of scorching heat that boils the seas. On the dark side, it would be 6 months of frozen, eternal night. Temperatures would drop so low that the atmosphere itself might freeze and fall as snow. Humanity would be forced to chase the twilight, a narrow strip between day and night where survival is barely possible amidst constant storms. Could we adapt? Perhaps deep underground, in bunkers powered by the Earth's heat, humanity could hang on, telling stories of the days when the sun used to rise and set. So take a moment to appreciate the sunrise. That spin is the only thing protecting us from chaos. What other what-if scenarios should we explore? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.